Hi, this is Gráinne from the Sound Healing Academy. Today we are talking tuning forks, weighted and unweighted. What's the difference and when do we use them? Weighted, as you can see, have weights on the top. These weights amplify the frequency of this fork, sending it down through the tine, down into the stem and then onto the body. They can be used on painful joints to relieve muscle tension, and also some weighted forks help balance the nervous system in the body. Unweighted tuning forks. These forks are used off the body. They don't have the same amplification of the frequency that the weighted forks have, but they do produce a beautiful, clear sound. They're often used either side of the head, close to the ears, or in the biofield. To learn more about these fantastic forks and how to activate them, tune in for our upcoming video and hit subscribe.